Look at that, Enrique. We have a stock split incoming 1 to 100 right now. Maxeon Solar Technology. What's gonna happen next?
See, first of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Wow, as you mentioned, a lot of eyes, around this stock for this when this happens because the stock split is not something to forget about, and we are talking about 1 to 100, not 120, not 150, 1 to 100.
That's
The thing
huge.
is, yeah, it's like this is due to the requirements probably of the Nasdaq in order to stay in the Nasdaq, and they had to do it to comply with those regulations to stay in this index. So one of our subscribers let us know that this was approved, and we entered into the chat and saw in the chart. Sorry, I saw it right here. The thing is, how will this affect the movement, the price action? Because the price of the shares will change 1 to 100, but after that, what would be the movements in the market, and how could this affect investors? Let us know your opinion below.
This is very interesting, and I gotta say, with so many stocks, experiencing the same thing. But here in this case, Maxeon Solar Technologies, I don't see any stock split in the past. So obviously, the only past performance we can assess is like what happened with other stocks. And I remember every time they release, there are two possible scenarios. The first scenario is like when after the stock split, the stock skyrockets like completely huge, but not so incredible. Like we're talking about between maybe 100%, 200%. But then what happens is like it goes down again, even lower, making new lows. And then the second scenario is like going, making new lows directly.
Yeah, I was reading right here like the investor says sentiment for this stock split. Please share with us your opinion in the comments, as you may also be trading this stock. As that we are watching right here, the market cap it's about $120 million, and this doesn't affect the value, but this may affect the investor's perception. And the thing is, like, this could be seen as something positive because the company obviously is trying to stay in the Nasdaq and they are making moves, etc. But also the share reduction that will happen from 1,500 million shares to about 15 million shares approximately. So that could change obviously the dynamics of this market, the liquidity, etc. And as we saw with other stocks, as Alvaro mentioned, the stock splits may have positive or negative impacts, but the volatility normally is for sure. So make sure that you know what you are doing when this happens.
Yeah, these stocks are kind of risky, and I gotta tell you, if we go to the net income and you study what happened in the past, and the stock is in positive territory this quarter, and this is the one thing that surprises me. Like, is making new lows, or at least is going into that direction, and we have positive results. Normally in other stocks, that they normally do this type of stock splits, is because they have like a negative net income again and again and again, and even at that time, it's the worst moment ever. When they do the stock split, which is not the case here. So anything can happen in this stock. The only behavior that we have here is like, okay, the fundamentals look better than before, but the trend is the trend, and the trend is going down for the long term.
So guys, how do you see the situation with Maxeon Solar Technologies right now? Do you think this split will be positive or negative? Will this affect the volatility, creating a higher one or a lower one? Today we are talking about a movement of -7%. So we will see how the day closes. Very, very interesting. Let us know everything you want to share with us in the comments below. As usual, Trading HT, sharing our honest opinion, Trading HT, so trying to entertain and create a community of traders and of humans. Let's go. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.